Are you struggling to get clients to say yes to your coaching? The problem might not be your skills, it's how your coaching package is put together. Don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to create a coaching package that not only stands out but also sells. Now, why is online coaching the perfect way to grow your business? Let me break it down for you. First, low-cost setup. You don't need a fancy office or inventory, just your laptop and an internet connection. Second, high scalability. Work smarter, not harder. With online coaching, you can help more people at once and grow your income. You just need to create the coaching program one time and can sell it unlimited times. Another key point is the flexibility. You can set your own schedule, work from anywhere, and coach clients worldwide. And lastly, the impact you make. You will reach people across the globe and change lives without ever leaving your home. Sound great, right? Take Alex, for example. He turned his passion for fitness into a fast-growing online coaching business. What started as a one-on-one in-person training is now an online program helping hundreds of clients achieve their goals all around the world. Now that you see the power of an online coaching program, let me break it down step by step. I'll walk you through 5 key steps to create a coaching package that stands out, and most importantly, sells. At the end, I'll share with you access to a free workbook that outlines everything you need to create your coaching package. It's packed with tools and templates to make your life easier and your program a success. Let's start the first step. Defining your coaching promise. This is the foundation of your program and sets the stage for everything else. Step 1. Define the outcome. To create a coaching package that stands out, you need to start with one essential element: a clear and specific outcome. This is the result your clients are signing up for, and it's the foundation for everything else in your program. Think about this. What's the one result your ideal client wants more than anything? It's not enough to say, "I'll help you get healthy." That's too unclear. Instead, focus on something specific like lose 10 pounds in 8 weeks or master public speaking in 30 days. When you focus on one clear result, clients instantly see the value and know what to expect, and that builds trust. Clarity is everything. A specific promise helps you stand out, makes it easier for clients to say yes, and shows that you genuinely understand their goals. Plus, it gives you a solid foundation to structure your program around. Ask yourself, what's the one result my ideal client craves the most? Write it down. This single step will give your coaching package focus and direction. Step 2. Build your framework. After you've defined the clear result your coaching program will deliver, it's time to create a structured framework that guides your clients step by step. This framework will give your program clarity, consistency, and direction. Imagine Alex, an aspiring coach. He's helping young men build muscle. To deliver real results, Alex needs a clear roadmap, something he can use to guide his clients through their transformation from start to finish. That's where a framework comes in. Think of your framework as the heart of your coaching program. It's how you take clients from where they are now to where they want to be. Break the journey into phases or steps. For Alex, his framework might look like this. Awareness. Helping clients identify the mistakes that are holding them back, like poor nutrition or ineffective action. Introducing and tracking a simple, effective workout plan tailored to their needs. Mastery. Teaching clients how to sustain progress by turning their workouts into lifelong habits. The napkin test. Imagine you're at a coffee shop with a friend struggling with the same problem your clients face. You grab a napkin and write down 5 to 7 key steps they need to follow. What would you write? Keep it simple and practical, like advice you'd give in a casual chat. For Alex, his napkin might look something like this. Assess current fitness level and identify goals. Design a beginner-friendly workout plan, introducing a muscle-building nutrition strategy. Track progress weekly with clear metrics. Adjust workouts and nutrition for better results. Teach strategies for staying consistent long-term. Celebrate wins and map out next steps. Actionable prompt. Now it's your turn. Take a pen and paper or a napkin and write down 5 to 7 steps your clients need to follow to achieve the transformation you're offering. Focus on the big milestones. What's the first thing they need to do? What comes next? Break it down step by step. A clear framework does 2 powerful things. It boosts your confidence as a coach because you know exactly what you're delivering, and it builds trust with your clients because they can see the roadmap that leads to their success. Once you've outlined your framework, it's time to make it engaging and effective. That's where it gets important to design your program in a way that keeps clients motivated and on track. Step 3. Structure your course. Content. Imagine Alex has his framework ready. 7 clear steps to help young men build muscle. But now he's wondering, how do I turn these steps into a program my clients can actually use? This is where structuring your course content comes in. Modules. Break it down. Step by step, organizing it into modules. Think of them as chapters in a book. Each module should focus on one key step in your process, making it easy for your clients to follow and apply. For example, let's look at Alex, who is creating a coaching program for young men struggling to build muscle. His first step is assessing fitness levels and setting realistic goals. This becomes Module 1, Building Awareness, where clients reflect on their current habits and define what success looks like. The next step is introducing an effective workout routine. This becomes Module 2, Action, Designing your perfect workout routine, where Alex provides structured workouts based on fitness levels. By organizing his program into modules, Alex ensures that his clients don't feel overwhelmed and can progress step by step. This structure also makes the program more valuable and easier to market because it follows a clear path toward transformation. Now think about your own coaching program. How can you break your process into clear steps that guide your clients toward their goal? Lesson format. Keep it bite-sized and practical. No one wants to sit through an hour-long lecture. Instead, keep lessons short and focused, 10 to 20 minutes max. For example, Alex might break Module 2 into bite-sized lessons like Lesson 1, Choosing the right exercises for muscle growth. Lesson 2, How to track your progress like a pro. Lesson 3, Common workout mistakes and how to avoid them. These short lessons make it easy for clients to absorb the material and take action right away. Supporting materials. Add value and keep clients engaged. To make your lessons even more actionable, include resources like worksheets. Help clients track their progress, for example, a weekly workout tracker for Alex's program. Checklists. Summarize key points from each lesson for quick reference. Quizzes. Test understanding and reinforce learning. Assignments. Encourage clients to apply what they've learned, like setting weekly goals or sharing meal plans. I know this can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. If you need help building your coaching package or creating your videos, reach out to us at infocoachpath@gmail.com or message us directly in our free community link in the description. Now let's move on to the next key steps. Delivery options. Choose what works for you. There are several ways to deliver your content, depending on what works best for your coaching style. And I would suggest you to use all 3 of them. Live group coaching calls, interact directly with your clients and address their questions. Pre-recorded video modules, let clients learn on their schedule anywhere in the world. Community support, build a private group, like on School or GoCollab, where clients can share progress, ask questions, and get inspired by others. For Alex, he might combine pre-recorded workout tutorials with a private group for daily motivation and live Q&A calls every week to keep clients on track. Think about your program. What supporting resources can you create to make your lessons actionable and engaging? Worksheets, a checklist, maybe a private community where your clients can connect. Structuring your course content this way keeps your clients engaged, accountable, and excited about their progress. It also makes your program more professional, which builds trust and keeps clients coming back. Step 4. Price your program. Now that your program is structured, let's focus on how to price it and package it for maximum value. Remember, you're not selling only time, you're selling a transformation. A well-structured pricing model helps you serve more people while maximizing your income. The best approach. Offer different levels of access and support, from a free community to a high-ticket mastermind. A simple and profitable pricing structure. 1. First, create a free community, entry level. This will be a space where potential clients can connect, ask questions, and experience your coaching style before committing. Offer free resources, live Q&As, and light guidance to build trust and attract your ideal audience. For example, Alex creates a school community where he shares fitness tips, basic workout plans, and motivation for young men trying to build muscle. After the free community, create a mid-tier membership, $99 per month. Here you have a monthly subscription model that provides more structured support without requiring one-on-one coaching. Members get exclusive content, group coaching calls, and access to more in-depth training. Example, Alex's Muscle Mastery Club, where members receive weekly workout plans, video lessons, and a private group for direct support. 3. The last coaching group will be a high-ticket mastermind, $1,000 to $3,000. For clients who want personalized coaching, custom strategies, and direct access to you. This includes one-on-one coaching sessions, personalized workout plans, meal guides, and deeper mentorship. For example, Alex's Elite Coaching Program, where he provides private check-ins, detailed progress tracking, and fully customized training plans. This way of structuring the coaching model works because it will reach more clients. Keep in mind, not everyone is ready to invest in high-ticket coaching right away. Offering different pricing options lets potential clients start small, see results, and upgrade when they're ready. Many will begin with the free community or mid-tier membership before committing to a premium offer. It creates a natural sales path. A structured pricing model guides clients through different levels of support. As they gain value from your free or mid-tier program, they build trust in your coaching and become more willing to invest in higher-tier services without feeling pressured. Also, it provides a steady income. A $99 per month membership might seem small, but with 50, 100 or even 200 members, it creates predictable recurring revenue. And the high-ticket coaching then adds larger cash injections, balancing consistent income with premium sales. And it will make scaling easier for you over time. With group coaching and digital content, you can serve more clients at once, freeing up time while still delivering results. High-ticket coaching remains for those needing deeper support, letting you grow your business without working more hours. By structuring your coaching this way, you build a sustainable, profitable system that benefits both you and your clients. Now that you have a solid pricing structure, the next step is making sure your coaching package actually delivers results. But before you launch, it's important to avoid common mistakes that could slow down your success. Step 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Covering too many topics. Trying to tackle everything in one program is overwhelming for you and your clients. Stay focused on one clear transformation. For example, Alex's program focuses on helping young men build muscle and confidence. It doesn't try to address every aspect of health and fitness. Mistake 2. Selling time. Instead of a framework, clients aren't paying for hours of your time, they're paying for results. Don't package your program as 6 calls over 8 weeks. Instead, sell the transformation, like build muscle and gain strength in 8 weeks with this proven framework. Mistake 3. Overloading clients with information. Giving too much information can leave your clients stuck. Focus on actionable steps and clear results. Remember, progress happens when clients take action, not when they're buried in endless content. Mistake 4. Skipping validation. One of the biggest mistakes is launching without feedback. Test your program with a small group of beta clients first. Their insights will help you refine your content, improve the experience, and build powerful testimonials to attract more clients. Key takeaway: by avoiding these mistakes, you'll save yourself time, stress, and frustration while setting your clients up for success. Do you need a clear roadmap for building your coaching package? Get the exclusive course planning worksheet inside my free coaching community. It walks you through every step, from defining your outcome to structuring your modules. Plus, you'll connect with other coaches and get support, including help with creating your course videos. Join now. Link in the description.